Good morning, and welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm delighted to share with you a tale of warmth and vitality from the Pacific Ocean's Midway Atoll, a haven for millions of seabirds seeking refuge from the harsh winter months. As we speak, the atoll is teeming with life, particularly the majestic Laysan albatrosses, also known as molly in Hawaiian. These brilliant snow-white birds return to this same nesting site every year, reuniting with their mates and laying a single egg. It's a spectacle that never fails to awe, and thanks to a 24/7 live cam, we can witness this miracle of nature from the comfort of our own homes. Imagine watching these gentle creatures as they go about their daily lives, their snowy feathers glistening in the sunlight, their soft calls carrying on the breeze. It's a truly immersive experience, and one that allows us to connect with these incredible birds on a deeper level. And if we're lucky, we might even catch a glimpse of other species, such as the endangered Koloa pohaka, or Laysan duck, the Manuo quechua, or white terns, and the Kalea, or Pacific golden plovers. But what's truly remarkable about Midway Atoll is the story of wisdom, the world's oldest breeding bird. This incredible albatross, estimated to be around 75 years old, has been returning to the atoll for decades, laying eggs and raising chicks with her mate. It's a testament to the enduring power of nature and a reminder that even in the face of adversity, life can thrive. As we watch these birds nesting on Midway Atoll, we're reminded of the importance of conservation and preservation. These species rely on us to protect their habitats to ensure their survival for generations to come. It's a responsibility we must take seriously, and one that requires our collective effort and dedication. So let us marvel at the beauty of these seabirds, and let us be inspired by their resilience and adaptability. As we continue on our journey through the natural world, we'll explore more fascinating stories of wildlife behavior, ecosystem interconnections, and the impact of human activity on our planet. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. We're exploring the fascinating world of conservation efforts today, and our middle segment takes us to the stunning Great Barrier Reef in Australia. The reef is facing numerous threats, primarily due to climate change, which has led to mass coral bleaching events. However, there's a glimmer of hope with the Reef Restoration Project, known as RAP. This ambitious initiative aims to restore the damaged coral reefs by cultivating coral spawn in custom-made pools and then deploying them onto the reef. The process is meticulous and labor-intensive, involving hours of work on the reef, floating in small boats in a vast ocean. But the question remains, is this effort worth it, or should we be focusing more on combating climate change? The project's lead, Robio, believes that both approaches are necessary. He argues that while investing in clean energy and climate advocacy is crucial, putting resources into projects like RAP helps reefs today. The Great Barrier Reef Foundation, a core partner of RAP, has received funding from various donors, including some with ties to mining and energy companies. However, Robio assures that these companies have not influenced RAP's work or restricted their ability to speak about climate change. It's a complex issue, and one that sparks debate among conservationists. Some argue that the scale of resources behind RRAP could be better spent on climate action, while others believe that every effort counts no matter how small it may seem. As we navigate the challenges of preserving our planet's precious ecosystems, it's essential to consider all avenues of approach. One argument in favor of RAP is that even if the world were to stop burning fossil fuels immediately, these ecosystems would still decline due to existing damage. So, projects like our RAP can provide a vital lifeline for struggling reefs. As we continue to explore the intricacies of conservation, it's clear that there are no easy answers, but rather a complex web of factors to consider. Welcome back to Nature Walk, where we explore the wonders of the natural world. As we conclude our journey today, I'd like to take you to the fascinating realm of sharks, specifically the epaulet shark, also known as the walking shark, due to its ability to traverse both the seafloor and land with its fins. But what's even more intriguing about this species is its remarkable approach to reproduction. Researchers at James Cook University have made a groundbreaking discovery that challenges our fundamental assumptions about sharks and their reproductive cycles. It appears that epaulet sharks do not experience an increase in energy expenditure during egg laying, which is a significant departure from what we typically see in other species. This means that these sharks can reproduce without breaking a sweat, so to speak. The study, published in the journal Biology Open, monitored the oxygen consumption rates of captive epaulet sharks to track their metabolic rate, as well as shifts in blood and hormones during egg laying. And what did they find? The shark's energy use remained remarkably stable throughout the reproductive cycle. This is a game changer, as it suggests that these sharks may be more resilient to environmental stresses than we thought. Imagine being able to produce eggs without a significant increase in energy expenditure. It's a remarkable adaptation that could have important implications for our understanding of shark biology and conservation. As Dr. Jody Rummer, one of the study's co-authors, notes, reproduction is the ultimate investment. You are literally building new life from scratch. And yet, these sharks seem to do it with ease. But what does this mean for the health of our oceans? Well, my friends, it's a promising sign. Healthy sharks equal healthy reefs and ecosystems. So if these sharks can continue to reproduce, even under stressful conditions, it could be a beacon of hope for the long-term resilience of our marine ecosystems. As we wrap up today's Nature Walk, I want to leave you with a sense of wonder and awe at the incredible diversity of life on our planet. From the mighty sharks that roam our oceans to the tiny microorganisms that inhabit every corner of our world, each species has its own unique story to tell. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.